Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about sets of real numbers, and the first group of real numbers that we are going to talk about are called natural numbers, and natural numbers are also called counting numbers because these are the numbers that you learned to use to count. So the first group of real numbers that you learned are counting numbers or natural numbers. The second group is whole numbers, which include all natural numbers plus zero. The third group is called integers, and integers include all natural numbers, the zero, and their negatives. The fourth group is rational numbers. And rational numbers include every single number that can be written as a fraction. That includes natural numbers. Two is a natural number and it can be written as a fraction, 2 over 1. Whole numbers, 0 is a whole number and 0 can be written in a fraction, 0 over 1. Integers, -3 is an integer and it can be written as a fraction, as a -3 over 1. Rationals also include all fractions, 1 over 2, 3 over 2. It also includes our decimals that can be written as a fraction. If we have 0.5, that's a decimal that terminates and ends and can be written as a fraction as 5 over 10 or 1/2. So all decimals that terminate and all repeating decimals are also rational numbers. The fifth group is irrational numbers, and irrational numbers include numbers that cannot be written as a fraction. An example would be radical 3. If we put radical 3 into the calculator, we end up with a decimal number that does not terminate, which means that radical 3 is an irrational number. Pi is a number that can put into the calculator and we end up with a decimal that does not terminate. And in this case, pi is an irrational number. Rational and irrational numbers make the real numbers that we use here in Algebra 1. So real numbers are irrational numbers, and it also include rational numbers, which includes integers, whole numbers, and natural numbers.